Okay, in this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to go through the PO system and look at some of the basic reports that are in the system. So from the master menu, number 11 takes you to the purchase order entry, as you can see here. Yeah. Anyway, so I just keyed 11, and the report that we're going to run, and this is the same in all the menus, sales order, work order, and purchase order. The report that we're going to run is number 10. Now, before I run that, I want to point out a couple things. Remember how we do our vendor order lookup or vendor order search. So I'm going to go there first and pull up vendor number 1000 and point out that the U status, the I status, and the H status. Again, U status means open orders. I means you've received them already, but you haven't got the invoice in the mail. And H means you've received it and you've posted it to accounts payable and it's completely done. So that being said, let's get out of this. And the reason I'm pointing that out is when I go to number 10 here, when I key in 10 and hit return, return means open orders, stuff that you just ordered, you're waiting for to come in the door. That's your U status. Even though this says S, that's your I status, and that is your history file showing stuff that's been posted to payables. So I'm going to go over each one of these and kind of give you the rundown. So the first one, we're just going to hit return, which defaults to open purchase orders. And I can go from and to vendor, or I can just say from and to order date, or due date, I should say. And we can go just a specific store. Like if I hit return, it's going to give me all stores. But if I key in number 10, it's only going to give me open purchase orders for store number 10. So when in doubt, hit return. We're just going to, in this case, we're just going to go through the report. And so when I go through that, that was pretty quick. And this will give me a list of all the open purchase orders. Now, mind you, I'm dealing with old demo data. So, from 2013, 2014. Simply said, an open purchase order should not be open for more than 120 days. If it is, delete it and reorder it. Nobody is going to fulfill an order after 120 days. And so you want to keep this file clean, and I'll just give you this example. We're looking at a 2013 date. This is a great example of what not to do. There's 12 months into 2014, and we're in 2015. This is what not to do. And the reason why? For every open purchase order, I'm going backwards here. For every open purchase order, we're going through there and saying, hey, these parts are on order. Don't bother ordering anymore. So if you're leaving garbage out there, it's telling you, hey, you don't need any, it's on order. The reality is, clean up your open purchase orders. Nothing should be older than 120 days. Okay, that being said, I'm going to go to close to the end of this report here and show you some of the summary tables. See, there's a lot of purchase orders here, and this is a customer that had a lot of branches. Okay, so this is a list of all the orders by purchase agents. And as I hit return or page down, okay, this is important right here. This is, I'm just going to show you, this is like 90% of your stuff is going to be parts. But you got shop supplies, new reefer units, freight, subcontracted labor. And a lot of these that have zero means you've issued a PO, but you've not assigned a dollar amount, and that is the wrong thing to do as well. So if you're going to give out a PO, get an estimated price or the actual price. Okay, that pretty well sums up the open purchase orders. Thanks for watching.